Perek Aleph, Mishnah Daled. Elu chayovim b'maisros upeturim min hachala. In this Mishnah we find things which are chayev in maisros, but potter from chala. They're potter from chala. These are not really considered one, as we mentioned, the particular grains that we discussed in the early Mishnayos. And what are these items? Ha'oreis, rice. Va'adoichen, millet. Va'progim, poppy. Va'shumshamin, sesame. Va'kidneos, and various beans. Upoches mechameshes revoim batvua, and less than 5/4 of a kav of tvua, of grain. That means the grain that comes from the eventual amount, 5/4 of a kav. And as learned, that's the equivalent amount of an ephah mentioned in the Torah. Sufgonim are explained by the Bartanura. This is bread where the batter is very thin compared to as opposed to a thick dough for normal bread. Or another pirush, these are like wafer thin, like rikike matzahs, rikikim. They would be, although it's bread, this would be exempt from challah. V'haduvshonim, this is bread which is fried from the word dvash in honey, or kneaded in dvash. V'eskeritin, eskeritin also, this is bread where the batter is extremely rakom ma'od, very thin. And finally, two other items. Chalas hamasreis. This is challah which has been scalded. This is obviously dough, scalded in a pan. And the final item is hamaduma. Normally, truma, which falls into more than 100 times the amount of chulin, which is item which is not truma, it will be bottle. However, if there is less than 100 times the amount of truma that's fallen into the item, so there's this mixture of truma, but it will not be botel, it will not be nullified because there is not 100 times as much chulin, then the whole mixture becomes meduma and is considered as truma. The Mishnah says that although this is considered truma, cannot be eaten by a non-kohen, patura min challah, this will be exempt from challah. Because challah, the pasuk says, is torimu truma, take up a truma. Truma has already been taken from this. This is considered truma itself, and therefore it will be potter from challah.